Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And it was so. Genesis 1:11. From the very beginning, we see a profound connection between spirituality and the natural world. This connection resonates even more deeply when we consider Audrey Hepburn's words, "To plant a garden is to dream of tomorrow." Indeed, gardening is an act of faith, a testament to our belief in the future and the inherent goodness of creation. Now, I'll admit, my own gardening journey started a bit unconventionally. Picture this: me, a hopeful gardener with more enthusiasm than experience, trying to coax life out of a tomato seed planted in an old shoe. Let's just say some dreams are better suited for proper pots. However, this humorous mishap taught me a valuable lesson. Even amidst the most unconventional beginnings, life finds a way. This resilience, this inherent will to grow, mirrors our own spiritual journey. Is at the very heart of spirituality. Gardening, however, is more than just a passive observation of nature's wonders. It's an opportunity to actively engage with the spiritual realm. By planting with intention, we infuse our gardens with deeper meaning. Lavender, with its calming aroma, becomes a symbol of peace and tranquility. Rosemary, known for its association with memory, serves as a poignant reminder of loved ones past. We can further enhance the spiritual dimension of our gardens by creating sacred spaces. A small altar adorned with crystals, candles, and offerings of water or seeds can serve as a focal point for meditation and reflection. The gentle trickle of a fountain or the soft chime of wind chimes can create a soothing ambiance that invites contemplation and stillness. Throughout history, cultures around the world have recognized the sacredness of nature. From the nymphs and fairies of European folklore to the deities associated with specific plants and seasons, we see a deep-rooted belief in the interconnectedness between the spiritual and natural worlds. These beliefs, passed down through generations, remind us that we are not alone in our gardens. We share these spaces with unseen forces that contribute to the health and vitality of our plants. As we embrace sustainable gardening practices, we honor this sacred connection. By choosing organic fertilizers, composting food scraps, and attracting beneficial insects, we become stewards of the earth, expressing gratitude for the abundance it provides. In this way, our gardens become not just sources of food and beauty, but also reflections of our deepest values and aspirations. Let us cultivate these spaces with reverence, knowing that each seed planted, each flower admired, is a step towards spiritual growth and a deeper connection with the divine. Now, I invite you to share your own gardening experiences. How has gardening nurtured your spirit?